1000-watt laser cleaning machine. Plug in the power plug and turn on the machine power switch. Connect the water pipe to the water inlet, and then press and hold the pump button to start pumping. You can see that the water level is rising. Turn the key and turn on the machine switch. Turn on the water tank switch, wait for the temperature of the water tank to stabilize, and check the height of the water level. Turn on the safety key switch of the laser source, and turn on the power of the laser source after the indicator light is on. So far, the startup steps have been completed. The power, speed, scanning range of the laser and red light switch can be adjusted on the controller. Need to switch to the standby state when stopping use, and switch to the ready state when using. Open the back cover of the machine and take out the cleaning head to start cleaning. Fiber optic transmission can move operation, can clean the area which is not easy to reach. No consumables, no chemical pollution, no noise, energy-saving power. Rapid cleaning of heavy pollutants and high-speed cleaning of light pollutants can be achieved. Synchronous cleaning and synchronous treatment to realize zero discharge of cleaning process. It can clear the pollution particles below the nanometer level and have high cleanliness. Very good rust removal effect. After use, you need to turn off all the switches in the machine, as shown in the video.